Student Club. I am the student of Stanford American International School. Alright, let's try to start with a question. Some people frequently ask me, hey, why is coding important? My dream is to become a lawyer. Why should I learn coding? And why is the world talking about coding and stuff? Well, here's the answer to that question. When you code, it's not about making a product or making a software out of that thing. It's to do with your creativity, first of all. So what coding allows you to do is that you put your creativity in there. You're not just typing words, you're thinking about ideas and algorithms and those kind of stuff. And try to use those ideas to create something new, something intuitive out from your mind. That's what coding allows you to do. Think something creatively, if I'm not wrong. Like for example, you have a math textbook. It asks you, hey, what is x minus 1 equals to 1, and find the x. Does that require you creativity? No, absolutely not. But try to look at coding. It asks you, hey, gives you a topic. Hey, try to make a product that helps a disabled people. And well, you're going to think about different kind of ideas and different kind of algorithms, and apply that to your code, right? So that's the first thing. It lets you think creatively, right? And then grows, makes your mind open-minded, and as well as risk takers, right? There are some, when you code, if there's one mistake that is really minor, you need to search for that for hours. And then you kind of have a risk-taking motion where you try to find that error and try to fix that thing. All right, so basically coding makes you more creative. Now, here's the thing. In the future, jobs will decrease. What does it mean by that? When we try to look at recent days, AI is taking control of most of the things. We don't need a janitor right now because there's a robot that's trying to clean our whole entire house or entire school with just a few commands. There are robots that takes care of operations without the need for the doctor to take care of those patients. So in the future, what the things that are likely to happen is that robots and computers will take over the other jobs, unfortunately. And the only way to take control of that robots and computers is only coding. If you know how to command a computer system, then you're more likely to, get hired from a company in the future. Guys, we need to think about the future. What will happen in the future? Don't think about the present. Present, of course, is important, but future is the generation that you guys are going to live. All right, try to think of that, and it's really important. So coding is one part of the skills and one part of the tools that you will really need in the future. So from that said, what I'm planning to do in this YouTube channel is that I'm going to make some free videos related to coding. So I'll be starting with some general brief, what computers are and computers history, all about computers. And I'll be also making some videos about Scratch. Of course, I'm going to tutor some of those things. And C+ or C language, if it's possible, and as well as Java. So, guys, try to keep that in mind, that future is important, and coding is one of the things that really need a tool. It's a tool that you really need in the future. So stay tuned for more videos. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and we'll be back then. Thank you.